Everybody okay?
Yeah, okay. So I got 3 leech bites. Nihant got 1. ఒకటేగా నీకు Yeah, so we finished our breakfast and stuff, and now we are going to Waterfall Trek. The guy who is taking us said like it will be a 1 kilometer hard trek. So we are going to be drained completely. So let's see how this goes. And there is a small pool kind of thing there where we can swim, but with the weather like this, I don't know if we'll be able to tolerate cold water or stuff. But let me take a shot. It's in my car, I don't know where it is. Yeah, so this will be little waterproof kind of stuff. So let's see. So let's see how the waterfall trek goes. I'm waiting for Nihant and Ramarao to come, so we'll just start. Yeah, so we started for the waterfall trek. So from here it will be around 1 kilometer. So let's have some fun. One thing that I didn't like in this camping site or trekking or whatever is leeches. There are lots of leeches, so you have to check your feet every now and then to see if there is any leech biting you. And the worst part is you'll never know if the leech is biting you or not. You can spot it only if you see with your naked eye. So that's one thing you have to tolerate. And whenever if a leech bite is there, you have to apply some salt and sanitizer, and that will do. Yeah, so we are getting habituated for leeches from last night. Yeah. So till this point it belongs to this camping people. So beyond this point it's not their property, but yeah, this view is amazing. I don't know if you can see the view in this small camera or not, but it's good. కొమ్ము ఉంది కదా దీన్ని జరుపుకోనరా. తగిలిద్ది రామ్స్ గాడికి తగిలిద్ది. యా, దే సైడ్ హార్డ్ ట్రెక్, ఇట్స్ రియలీ హార్డ్. అరే చాలా స్లోప్ ఉంది, కాళ్ళు పెట్టుకోవడానికి కూడా ప్లేస్ ఉండదు, చూసుకోండి అండి. Can you move a bit?
Don't touch the branch, okay? Touch that branch. It will hurt.
మెల్లగా రే. ఓకే, నిహాంత్ ఆగరా, వెళ్ళట. ఉండు నువ్వు ఇటు పో, ఇది క్యాచ్. Hey.
అరే ఆ కొమ్మను మాత్రం పట్టుకోవద్దు.
ఈ కొమ్మను పట్టుకోకు, ఈ కింద చూడు దాన్ని పట్టుకొని దిగు.
స్టడీగానే ఉంటాను మ్యాక్సిమం. సమ్టైమ్స్ కావాలంటే ఇప్పుడు తోలు తిరుగుతున్నాం.
ఎక్కేటప్పుడు
ఎక్కేది ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు కానీ దిగేటప్పుడు పడేదానికి స్కోప్ వస్తుంది ఎక్కేటప్పుడు కంటే.
This trek is really good. This is the first time I've been to 2-3 treks before, but they are not this much deep forest. I'm loving this thing, but the only thing is there are lots of insects, leeches and stuff, so you really have to be careful. నేను బ్యాగ్ తీసుకుంటాను. లేదు ఆడ చిన్న చిన్న కొమ్మలు ఉన్నాయి చూసుకో. చెప్పుల్లో
చెప్పు కతుక్కుని అది గట్టిగా అదిమే తలకి నాకు. Everybody okay?
Yeah, okay. So I got 3 leech bites. Nihant got 1. ఒకటే గా నీకు? Nihant has got 1 leech bite. I got 3 leech bites. Rams నీకెన్ని రా? From yesterday this is the 4th leech bite I'm getting. Yeah. We came from there to this road, so we crossed the dense forest area. Now we are back to road to the waterfalls. I think that forest trek is damn good man. I want to go back in the same route again. Yeah. So we walked for 600 meters, and after going another 400 meters there will be a forest area again. Yeah, so again we entered the forest area just now. It's little steep. Entra? Huh? Okay. We have to climb this. జాగ్రత్తగా ఎక్కువ.
చెప్పులు తీసేద్దాం. Here it will be slippery.
Okay. Okay.
Step on that.
Okay. జాగ్రత్త రే. Now it's my turn to climb. I have to manage this with the camera included. Yeah, I am a bit tired. Careful. Yeah, good idea. I'll remove chappal.
Hey, chappal city ira chappal. Iti paina city chappal. Gadi baale. Adane ra. Ee bag kitne chotu diya na. Pula pera na.
I better not vlog here, but let's see. Apena. We came from this steep. Yeah. Now we almost reached waterfalls. Little tired. Have to.
are here.
This is the waterfall. Because of the lots of noises, I don't know if you can hear my voice or not, but let me just shoot. So this is the waterfall. That is the top. That is the bottom. We can there is a pond on the top where we can relax. There is a pond on the bottom also where we can relax. So we'll just visit the top, then we'll trek down to bottom, then we'll come back here and go home. So yeah.
It's a big one.
Yeah, throw it on. Call UP? Yeah.
Perfect.
2 more leeches for Nihan. Nihan scored highest. ఎన్నిరా 4 నాది 4 నీకెన్ని so now we'll be going down there because we finished bathing here, so now we are going down there. I think the down part is even more beautiful than this, so yeah. Yeah, so this is how the trekking was. It was really good. After hanging bridge, this is the second place I liked very much. I always wanted to do adventures, and this one is very adventurous. All the 3 of us are little tired, so now we have to go back to the campsite, which is of 1 kilometer. Let's see how we'll manage, but yeah, there is a roadway also to go back to the campsite where autos will take you, but we thought of going by trekking only. That's more adventurous, so follow us. చీమలు ఉన్నాయి, ఫాస్ట్గా వచ్చి. ఎన్ని చీమలు ఉన్నాయి ఇంద్ర. There are lots of ants. ఎక్కువ అది పెద్ద రాయి ఉంది రే, చూసి ఎక్కువ. కేర్ఫుల్ కేర్ఫుల్. దాదా మెల్లగా రా, ఏం కాదు, చెయ్యి.
Hi guys, while returning from the trekking you will be exhausted. If you are fit, you can do it.
Rams is all exhausted, all.
Yeah.
So we are just taking 2 minutes break. We are taking 2 minutes break, and then we have to climb that small hill. Then camping is beyond that hill. So yeah. So now we came back to our room after trekking. We are very tired. So now the plan is we'll check out from here. They are packing all the luggage and stuff. So we'll check out from here now. Then we booked another resort for tonight. So So on the way to the resort, we'll have lunch, then we'll go to resort, and we won't do anything for today. We'll just take rest full evening. Maybe evening we'll go out for a short walk or a short ride or something. So from here the resort is something like 20 or 30 kilometers. So yeah, that's the plan for now. So we have come to our next location, which is our next resort, which is Bella Vista Resort. So yeah, this is the resort, and that floor is where we are gonna stay. And this resort is having a beautiful restaurant also there, this one. So for now, we all the three of us are very tired, so we'll just go take bath, rest for tonight, and we'll see what we'll do tomorrow. Yeah, so bye.